7604 Vista Hills. Remove those two satellite dishes. Coming in, I felt like the neighborhood could have been like wider, but then when I pulled up to the house, it was really nice because this is really far, this distance right here. So you have a really wide open area. There's a lot of bees on these bushes. They just happen to attract bees. Not everyone likes that, but I think you have to be careful with what you can and can't do with bees. Anyway, it looks like they painted this tan area, and there's some bleed over to the brown wood. Not a big deal, just mentioning that. So you have the side entrance past this gate. This water was just shooting up at the house, so I put a pot over it. While we're back here, so we have this very large tree. We're gonna have to get the tree trimmed away from the property. Also, it looks like the roots are probably growing up underneath, cracking the cement. We see that a lot. I don't know why they put those massive trees in residential neighborhoods. Let's probably get that one trimmed away a bit too. Okay, so that's the yard. So you have two sliding doors, this one and the one on the other side. It's just wet from that sprinkler, and that was all me, so I'll take my shoes off. Oh my gosh. Okay, sorry. Okay. And rekey that side door. Okay. Carpet. Replace this blind. Maybe get a vertical, maybe do this. Maybe leave the rod. I'm not sure. It's a PM call. So, in this room, we have two blinds. We already have verticals over here. We need some granite counters. There's no microwave. It would be nice if we had a more upgraded sink with a gooseneck faucet. Cabinets look okay. It's pretty dark in here, so it's kind of hard to really tell, but they don't look bad to me. It doesn't look like it warrants repainting. The paint is very close to the color that we tend to use. It's neutral. I think this one has a little bit of pink hues to it, but very little. And so far, it looks to be in good condition. So replace this blind. So now it's 4 blinds total. That has a really elegant feel to it. I actually really like it with the drapes too. It feels very elegant with the high ceiling, the picture windows. Carpet looks new. So it's nice that the laundry is upstairs. Well, this door needs a cabinet, not a cabinet pull, needs a door handle thing on it. Tile. The paint's gray in here. Need a shower rod. Replace that drain thing at the bottom, $65. There we go. This room is back to the normal color. Get some blinds on there. We don't have a ceiling fan, but we do have raised panel doors, even if the door handles are the more older style bronze. Carpet looks pretty good. Of course, we always do a carpet cleaning. Okay, pretty standard. Probably take all of that down. It's nice to have a little loft area like that. So we have some closet here. get a normal 2.5 inch forward blind on that. Carpet is showing a little bit of wear here, but I think it'll be okay. It feels like a cheaper quality carpet to me, but it feels like it'll be okay with a good carpet cleaning. Maybe recaulk, little crack in the tile. Other than that, it doesn't feel too squishy. Replace, oh, hey, we have the 2.5 inch forward blinds here. Okay, nice fixtures. All right, paint looks pretty good. Change in tile here. We don't usually like a lot of change in tiles or change in flooring, but I have to say this one doesn't bother me too much. I feel like this home has a little more of an upscale feel to it, just overall. Replacing light detectors would help to give it a more updated feel.